This is the Ultra-Aire 120H. It's Energy Star rated and removes up to 120 pints of water per day. It is 7.3 amps with an energy factor of 2.9 liters per kilowatt hour. It features a Merv-13 filter with magnetic access doors on both sides of the unit. It is sized for homes up to 3,000 square feet. It features a 6-inch fresh air ventilation duct, a 10-inch return duct, and a 10-inch supply duct. The Ultra-Aire 120H features a transformer protection push-button reset and a terminal block for ease of control connections. The Ultra-Aire 120H features an innovative cabinet design which easily converts to either vertical or a horizontal airflow that allows for versatile installations in tight spaces. The dimensions of the Ultra-Aire 120H with the collars on is a width of 14 3/8 inches, a height of 21 inches, a length of 32 3/16 inches, and the unit weighs 91 pounds. For more information on the Ultra-Aire 120H, visit www.ultra-aire.com.